Here's the Ulanzi VL120 RGB LED Video Light. It's a little guy. As we can see here, it has its silicone diffuser pre-installed. Let's get it off so we can see the light itself. Here it is. It's fairly weighty for its size. Let's get it open to see the features. Looking at the screen, we can see a battery display and that the scroll wheel controls the brightness, the rocker wheel controls the modifier, and quick pressing the power button switches modes. And it looks like we have 4 lighting modes. Let's run through them. First mode is RGB. The rocker wheel controls the color of the light in degrees. The second mode kind of ties in with the first mode, called HSI, meaning hue, saturation, and intensity. Based on what degree of color you set in the RGB mode, you can control the saturation using the rocker wheel. This allows the light real fine control over the color of the light. That's very good to see. The third mode we have is scene mode.